It's December 12th. Yes. And we are taking out the last one, Advent, from this very sad bag, because it's now very sad. And this we will put here. Let's see what we have. I don't know, will I film a lot today, because I have full day of work. I need to do everything that I have to do. Oh my god, this week is very busy, and tomorrow too. But again, I forgot to show number 12, last one. And let's open it. Oh, OMG. My favorite word ever combination, OMG, but this is something. Oh, wow. It's skein. Such a very soft and nice. What? Light pastel lilac. And this is from Myak Tibetan fibers, naturally soft, ethically sourced, expertly crafted. What is it? Baby, 50% baby yak and 50% silk. So this is something very, very nice. 25 grams. Oh my god, so nice. Wow. So nice. It's very soft. So this is label. And it's very soft, very nice. It's a very luxury. I will take a picture or film without this artificial light. Now we have like a rain, snow, storm. Not a storm, like something is falling from the sky, and it's a mixed match with snow and rain. So not very exciting. Actually, I had this feeling that tomorrow we should be a snow, but it's December 12th already, and I somehow don't believe in that. I wanted to correct myself. It's very funny. I was telling all the time that it's a Sophie scarf, but actually from the pattern it's Sophie shawl, obviously. And yeah, here is the pattern. And yeah, and of course I'm knitting a shawl, but if to translate Latvian word shawl, we can tell shawl, we can tell scarf. Usually we are telling actually scarf, but Petite Knit decided, from my Latvian opinion, she decided to use the same meaning of the word, but in two different ways for two different projects. I don't know, maybe lockets, which is a like bandana top, also is a scarf in English. Maybe therefore she decided to call it the small version a scarf. But yes, it's a shawl. If to be correct pattern, it's a shawl. So, and my plan is to knit out half for increases and half for decreases. So And the funniest part actually is, for such a simple pattern, she even don't show any count of stitches, I think, in the end, if I remember correctly. But it's a super simple pattern, but she anyways decided to make scarf as a different pattern. It's so hilarious. But I have made a scarf too without pattern, because if you have one of these pattern, you can clearly figure out how to knit a shawl or how to knit a scarf. So this is a shawl, and I have so yesterday evening I finished my one of the Christmas gifts. I was knitting it because I just saw it. It was all the time lying on my table, and I'm just, oh, we need to finish. It's done. And I did it, it's finished, and that was my yesterday's knitting project. But when I finished it, I had 4 hours of knitting time, and I knitted socks. And today I knitted this much, that I added a yellow strand of yarn where I will have a heel part. And I think heel I will knitting in this green color from yarn what I have. It is Drops Flora in dark green color, so I will use it for this sock. And yeah, and I think I just will ask to my middle one daughter which yarn she loves. I have one with the sparkles, another one without sparkles, so the next pair I will knitting for her, because mostly all my knitted socks which turns out too big eventually gets my oldest daughter, because she has bigger feet than middle one daughter. And yes, and for me and for middle one would be actually the same size if I'm speaking about socks. And yeah, and I will knit for her. I hope she will choose sparkle one, because I really want to knit bling bling yarn. Because I love bling bling. Yes, and actually I have one more bling bling yarn. I don't have a lot of them. I have only 2. I have this Christmas yarn, and I can show you my beautiful treasure. There is a very small, like small, I don't know how you call it in English, speckles on the yarn, and it's like synthetic with a merino wool mix. And actually I have in this shade merino wool 2 left over from my long, I was knitting one time Friday sleepover many times, and yeah, and many times it's twice, because first one turns out super big. I give it to my oldest daughter. Second one also turns out too big, but smaller, and I give it to my middle one daughter. And I have leftover from that yarn, and this beautiful bling bling. I really love it. I think I have even a sample knitted with this yarn. Need to check out. I have a sample. It looks like this, if you see. And here in this sample I was using the same, which I told you, merino wool, and kid silk mohair. Therefore it's also fluffy and it's not so super sparkly, but I think I can use without kid silk mohair too and knit something nice. I was planning to knit a balaclava, but I'm over this balaclavas. I knitted them quite a lot already last year. I just couldn't stop. It would be nice to knit something right now because it's very like sparkles like this. It's very Christmassy and I think it would be nice to use it, but I don't know to what. But yeah, maybe I need to wear a slipover knit. Would be great to have slipover like this. Or hat. Oh, decisions. Why they are always so complicated. I think that's it for today. I'm going to work. I really have a lot to do. This will gonna be a very long day, and tomorrow too, because I finally got all my materials. I had this feeling that today we have a Friday, but actually it's not. It's Thursday, and yeah, Friday is very close. If you are in the same mood, I understand you. But I hope you had amazing December 12th, or you will have amazing December 12th, because yeah, who knows at what time you are watching my vlogmas, but I hope you are. And if you are, I'm very happy about you here in my channel. I hope after vlogmas we will have fun time together in weekly vlogs and podcasts, and maybe some special episodes will be in the future. I'm not planning them every week. I'm actually not planning them at all. They came in the world only when I have idea. If I have idea, then I made something. But if I don't have, I don't make pressure to myself, because I enjoy this filming process. I enjoy editing, and I'm always excited to put out a video. I'm always very excited to see all interactions like likes, comments, followers. Oh my god, this all like bouquet makes me so happy. So therefore I'm telling you all big thank you. I really will try not to disappoint you. I'm trying to be as I am in life. When I'm speaking with someone, when I am in interaction with someone, I am actually the same way. And yes, and I really hope to share with you with much more crafty things, not only with knitting, but yes, this channel is mainly made for knitting for the beginning, but yeah, I really want to make this place like my special crafty world, my special crafty home. Alexa is snoring terribly. Do you hear this? It's now very dark. Even it's only 1 o'clock in the day, but it's already dark, and let's go to work. Hope there will be some videos where you will see what I'm doing at my work. Bye!
Oh my god. No. Okay.